The day started early, 4 a.m. at the airport before 6. What are all these people doing up? Let's go to Walt Disney World. Hey, what's going on?
What's going on, bro?
And I get to get it on video. How are you doing, man?
Good, man.
Sammy.
Hello, how you doing?
What's going on? I won't video everything, I swear, but I had to get the first one. I'm here. I can't believe it. You rock.
I know, man.
So after meeting Mr. Gonzo P. Armageddon Sammy at Wilderness Lodge, we walked into the lobby. Oh my goodness. Check this place out. Wow. And then we meet up with Kelly from the Mickey Bunch, and we do some shopping.
Come on, I'm not crazy.
All right, so who's in the back there? Oh my God, Mr. Gonzo PR, and who's that? Is that Kelly from the Mickey Bunch?
Yes.
And Sammy's hiding over there. So hi, Sammy.
Hello, how you doing?
There you go. He's hiding in the corner. He's got the most to say. So yeah, where'd you take us?
To Cast Connection.
And what's Cast Connections?
It is the character warehouse for cast members.
Don't look wifey. Look at all the stuff. So is it even better deals than the Character Warehouse?
It is.
It's clearly better.
And more.
And they told me I couldn't video, so we're videoing.
Yep.
Yes! I love it. And look at who it is! I love it! This is going to be such a great trip.
Mistake.
A mistake, yes. Medium. Yeah, all right. That's the mistake right there. Gotta go with medium rare. No.
Yeah, you know what? Medium rare.
Medium rare. There we're talking.
Show me.
Land and sea.
What should I see?
Oh, the salmon and stuff.
Oh, the salmon. Okay. Well, I didn't know. You said land and sea, and I'm looking. I don't know. All right.
All right, so we got a land and sea, a pig, and a traditional. And it's a good thing I wasn't skinny because I won't be when we're done anyway. So Gonzo, what did you do?
Stealing pork like a kid steals Skittles.
What was important was salmon.
It was salmon.
And they gave me
What
2
was
years
it?
for salmon.
What was it? I feel like it was salmon, but
Yeah.
What
It's
was
the
it?
Puerto Rican version.
Puerto Rican, they have salmons down there?
Yeah. Not right here.
Cool. It's good to know.
If you get caught taking Sam's sauce.
I feel like
I
this is
wonder-
the pronunciation jail is what this is.
I wonder how much you get if I steal the meat.
It's hard to do English jokes, but I guess I got one.
What?
Look at all this Disney YouTube. Oh, did we lose one? Dave's hiding. Dave's getting the good footage walking in. Dave's like a pro. And you know what? I know you like this angle, because you said that earlier. All right, we're at the end of an awesome long day. Al from Florida. I don't know if they can see you. It's pretty dark back there.
Here I am.
A little scared. Sammy from Sammy.
I am.
Miguel from Mr. Gonzo P. Oh, there you go. That's also scary.
Here. I'm here.
We have, how many Disney YouTubers do you think we met today?
Oh, good lord.
Like, I should have counted. More than 10.
Yeah.
Easy more than 10. More than 10 just now.
That's it, so.
It's been a great day and it hasn't even started yet. Tomorrow, Galaxy's Edge opens, probably by the time you're watching this.
Yes.
It's supposed to open at 6 in the morning.
Psyched.
There's stairs right here, so I'm gonna try not to, die. Woo, skills. Anyway,
He's got skills.
thanks for watching today. Keep watching, more Disney stuff on the way. Actually, the next few days it's pre-recorded stuff because, I'm a cheater. We'll be back live Sunday or Monday.
It's good.
New video every day. Check out Florida Freaks. Are you changing the name of your channel?
Not yet. We'll
Florida
get
Freaks.
that
Mr. Gonzo PR.
Yes, sir.
Check out his channel. Sammy doesn't have a channel yet, but when he does, check out his channel. All right, that's it. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use this because it's really dark, but if you see it, well, I used it.
He used it.
That's all for now. Look at the clouds. Bye for now.